Hey everyone, so this week I'm doing another plan with me for you guys. This is going to be a really quick intro. It's only a 5-minute long video. The rest of it is just going to be music, but I wanted to quickly let you guys know that I am using a kit from HTPlanning. This is her Bubbly kit. I love it. And as you can see, I did remove the background and it did take away some of the colors, but I really like how it came out. So as a quick update, I want to let you guys know I am sorry for not posting a plan with me last week. Last week got a little hectic, and then by the end of the week, the video was all messed up. So it was a frustrating struggle, so that just did not end up going up because I just said to heck with it and was like, I'll just put something up on Monday. And then I also wanted to let you guys know that I did get a new puppy. His name is Bo, and I'm going to have some stickers that are inspired by Bo on the shop either tomorrow, which is Tuesday, or on Thursday. I've not quite decided. So those will be up soon. They're already designed. They're super cute. There's a sneak peek of them over on my Instagram if you want to check that out. But I'm going to play with him. Right now he's sleeping on my lap, and I'm not sure if it's just because he doesn't feel good or if he's just tired because he's had a long day. He's been up since 4:30 this morning. So I'm going to go, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this plan with me, and I will see you guys all next week.